In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We're going to move from the Squarespace website builder into your account dashboard and open the checkout page style editor, so you know exactly where to go when you're ready to refine the look and feel of your store's checkout. Start by heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. If you already have an account, log in so you can access your sites. If you're new, you can still reach the right menus from here after signing up. This landing area is a reliable starting point because it links directly to your account tools and any sites you manage. From there, click Account Dashboard. This takes you into Squarespace's central hub for managing everything tied to your profile: websites, domains, billing, and settings. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see them listed here. It's helpful to pause and confirm you're looking at the correct site before proceeding, especially if you have a separate staging or demo site. Next, choose Website. This option routes you into the Website Management view for the site you want to work on, as opposed to areas like Analytics or Domains. Once you're inside your site's settings and editor environment, you're in the right place to quickly search for specific tools without clicking through every menu. Now, click into the search bar. You'll usually find it near the top of the settings panel. The search feature is the fastest way to jump to deeper configuration pages that can be buried under multiple categories. Type Checkout in the search field. Squarespace will filter relevant results related to commerce and payment flows. Among those results, look for Checkout Page Style Editor. This is the dedicated area where you can control the visual presentation of your checkout, keeping it on brand and easy for customers to complete their purchase. Finally, click Checkout Page Style Editor. Once the editor opens, you'll see controls for visual elements, like typography, colors, buttons, and spacing specific to the checkout experience. Even if you're not changing anything right now, take a moment to scan the available options so you know what's possible. Aim for strong color contrast for accessibility, consistent fonts that match your site's style, and a clear, uncluttered layout that keeps customers focused on completing their order. If you don't see this editor, make sure you're viewing the correct site and that commerce features are enabled on your plan. Availability can vary by site configuration. That's it. You've navigated from Squarespace's Start page through your account dashboard into Website, used the search bar, and opened the Checkout Page Style Editor, so you're ready to fine-tune your checkout design with confidence.